What's up everyone, this is Seth with the Landing Page Dudes, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the landing page we designed and developed for Titan Bar. Now before I jump into the editor, I want to show you the wireframe in the design so that you have an idea as to how we do things at our agency. Whenever we work with a client, we always begin with the wireframe. Now the most important reason why is because we want to lock down the layout, we want to lock down the structure, as well as copy. Luckily for us, this client was super easy to work with. We were able to create these AI images that you see here, and the client actually went and videographed and photographed everything. So the end result looks absolutely amazing. So beginning with the actual wireframe, you could see here, we wanted a video in the background. We wanted to demonstrate how the product worked. And a big inspiration for us was Athletic Greens. They have this amazing video in the hero. We wanted to replicate the same, and we wanted to have different sliders so that you could see not just the video, but also any promotions that they would run. Next, we wanted these lifestyle images where we could show all the different applications. Again, the average time spent on a landing page is less than 8 seconds. So it's important that we're structuring this landing page based on what we think would convert best. So instead of just that filler content, our story, how we work, we went straight into the application. You could use it for push strength, for leg power, for pull power. And the important thing is that we wanted to use male, female, because it is a unisex product, and we wanted to make sure that it was understood right away, because if you saw only males, it would look like it's a male dominated product, and if you saw only females, you would think that it's a female animated product. And you can see here, whenever we build a wireframe, we explain lifestyle photos of models using product. The next thing we wanted to do was create animated features. Now this section looks a bit different when we developed it, but the idea was that on every click here you would see a different animation. So here's the Titan Bar, the travel bag, and whenever you click on it, it would be animated. Next are the app screenshots. Now keep in mind, this is a wireframe, it's not a design, so we just have placeholder here, but the idea was to show people that not only do you purchase this amazing product, but it comes with support, and it comes with an app that shows you how to work out. Then we have the product section, we have the lifestyle, the benefits and the features, the ambassadors and the social proof, which we've hidden for now, the FAQs, and then finally the footer. Now, as we go into design, things look a bit different. As you can see here, we actually have a screenshot of the video. The client was able to go and take those photos. How incredible is that? From AI to the actual design. Next, we created this section. We wanted it to look amazing. We wanted it to look clean, regal, and premium. And the idea is that in the background, this product is going to be animated, and you'll see what that looks like. Finally, we have the app workouts. We have the product section. We hid the UGC. We're really proud of how this turned out. Now I'll jump into the editor and show you everything. So beginning with the actual hero, you can see we have the video. And right away, it captivates you, it engages you. It's a male, it's a female, they're healthy, they're at the park, they're working out. And then on the second slide, we have the pre-sale offer, because they are in pre-sale. As we scroll down, we have those images that you saw, the lifestyle images showing you all the different applications. Below, we have this really cool animation, and you'll see how it works. I'll just let it play because it is really nice. Each and every single one of these sections is animated, and we're really happy with how this turned out. These are all using 3D. Now below that, we have screenshots of the app. We have the product section. We have this really cool pre-sale with another animation, more lifestyle, and finally the FAQs. It looks clean, it looks premium, and we're super happy with the end result. Now I'll show you what it looks like on mobile. hope you guys are enjoying our videos. If you have any questions about our design, about our development, feel free to reach out. But I want to thank you again for all of you that are subscribing. And keep in mind that we do have a Skool community, so if you do want to join, we give away a lot of free knowledge, we give a lot of free Figmas, as well as free Shopify sections and pages. So please join our Skool, and I will be back again shortly with another video.